Hi guys! Me and my mom went to Panda Tea Garden restaurant located at Dao, Bohol in Tagbilaran City. And it was really great to be here. There's just something really nice, like the ambience and the people that's working in here. And that their food is really great as well. And super mura guys. And nung pumunta kami ni mama dito, na-shock kami kasi yung pansit gisado nila is super affordable and yet the serving is like pang family. Sobrang hindi maubos si mama kaya tinulungan ko na siyang kainin. And then me, because I want to stay awake, I just ordered cappuccino coffee because I have something to do at work later, and a piece of cake which is the red velvet cake na super mura and super masarap siya at saka malaki yung servings niya. While my mom also ordered an apple juice kasi for healthy living raw, sabi niya. Pero yun nga, napakamura dito. Gusto ko pa sanang umorder ng lasagna pero malaki talaga yung servings ng pansit nila guys. Kaya talagang hindi ka lugi pag kumain ka dito. So for those people who are planning to have their vacation in Bohol, you may visit Panda Tea Garden Restaurant located in Dao, Tagbilaran City, Bohol. And you'll be amazed at how affordable their meals are. Super. So that's it guys. Thank you so much. Goodbye. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment to my video. Goodbye!